Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2011 Hyundai i40 wagon. Stock number is 4516. This model is running a G4NC 2-litre petrol engine backed by an automatic petrol 6-speed gearbox. Here we have the G4NC 2-litre petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front, left-hand front halogen headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy rims, left-hand front slight rash, average tyre, left-hand front electric door mirror with indicator, left-hand front door was damaged, left-hand rear door is a good private. Left-hand rear 16-inch factory alloy with average tyre. Left-hand taillight on body. Left-hand garnish or tailgate light. Tailgate in good condition. Comes complete with your wiper and lights. Rear bar has a few scratches. Right-hand rear garnish light. Right-hand tail light, right-hand rear 16-inch factory rim with good tyre. Both right-hand doors have sustained damage from an accident. Right-hand electric door mirror with indicator. Right-hand front 16-inch alloy with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory black cloth seats, driver side front in good condition. Here we have the center console lid and automatic console. Passenger side black cloth seat. Passenger side grey cloth sun visor. Interior light with mirror with cover. Right hand cloth sun visor. Here's the steering wheel with cruise and audio control. Here we have the driver's side door trim with your power master window switch. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.